So I'm back. It's been like a week, but it probably feels like eternity in YouTube time. I was doing things, but here's my update on me growing in life. I always want to get fruits and vegetables in my diet. I always try, not to eat Popeyes or, I don't know, going out to eat. So I decided that I was gonna juice. I was tired of going to Whole Foods, paying $11 for them to juice some celery for me. Also, I looked at my budget. I was doing my budget this month, and yeah, your girl can't afford that no more. So I decided to take matters into my own hands, and I'm a juicer now. And I must say, I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna continue as much as I can. Oh, I got a lot of energy from it. That's probably why I'm all over the place right now. I feel like I can get a lot done. I used a lot of fruits and vegetables that I like and that are easily accessible all year round, because I'm not trying to go far and wide to try to find something that's not really in season. Maybe, I don't know. Seems like everything's in season all the time, but I don't know. So I chose my 3 favorites to share with you guys today, and I hope you really enjoy it. What else? Oh, oh, um, please wash your produce really well, because if you don't buy organic, I've read online that some people can get like rashes from like the pesticides or the dirt if you don't clean it off properly. I got a little bit of a rash because I know one of the things I didn't buy organic, but it could also be like a detoxing thing. I only juiced once a day. I had my juice for breakfast, but I don't know, my body still could be detoxing, even though I feel like we're detoxing all the time, but whatever. That's what the internet says. So, so just be mindful of that. I use a spray, a fruit and vegetable spray, to clean off all my produce. You can take the skin off of your fruits and vegetables if they have a skin. I like to keep them on. I don't know, because I'm lazy sometimes. Some things I took off. I took the skin off the carrots, the beets, and I think that was it. So I hope you enjoy it. Just be mindful of that. I don't know, you could also have like a reaction if you're not used to having so much of these vegetables or fruits in that amount of quantity, or that much at all if you're not really a fruit or vegetable person. So yeah, just be mindful of that, and I hope you like it. Don't mind my hair because I look a hot mess right now, but whatever. Enjoy. Okay, so we're first starting with the sweet green. This is a really good one. The ingredients in this one are 4 celery stalks, 1 carrot, 2 apples, a third of a cucumber, 1-inch ginger root, 1 lemon, and a handful of spinach. So I like to start off with all my fruits and vegetables freshly washed and very clean, and kind of pat them dry a little bit. Then I like to cut everything up in kind of small pieces, not really small, but enough to get through the juicer. Like the carrots right now, I'm going to cut off the ends, and then I'm going to cut like the bigger part of it in half because they'll be too thick to go through the juicer. So, some benefits of some of the ingredients in here. There's a lot of vitamins in all of these. Like carrots have a lot of vitamin A, C, D, E, potassium, everything. They're good for your eyes. They're good for your skin. It helps promote healthy brain function. Apples have a lot of vitamin A and C and protect against many illnesses. Ginger helps improve digestion and circulation. Celery reduces inflammation as well in the body, and it could help reduce cardiovascular disease. It's very hydrating, and it's very good detoxifier. Cucumbers are very hydrating too and can help reduce risks of cancers as well. So that's why I like to use these types of ingredients that are very good for me. Also, I see lemons, they help boost your immunity and it helps detox the body and protect against free radicals. So this has a lot of yummy goodness in it. And this is not like your typical type of green juice. This is why I call it the sweet green, because it has a sweeter taste. It's not so leafy. So first I'm going to turn on my juicer and I'm going to start with the spinach, which is very high in iron. I'm anemic, so yes, I need it. But I like to start off with the spinach first because it's kind of hard to go through the machine. Sometimes I think there's no point in juicing spinach, but I do it anyway. And I kind of do it first, so all the other fruits and vegetables that I do after kind of pushes all the juice out. So it makes everything easier to come out instead of doing it at the end. So we're just going to put like 1 or 2 pieces at a time because my juicer is really old and I don't want to break it because then I'll be really sad. So yeah, I'm just speeding this part up. Turn it off and like to make sure to tap out all the extra juice. Then my favorite thing to do is add my ice, and you have to drink it right away because once it oxidizes, a lot of the nutrients go away. So gotta stir it up. The next is my carrot zinger. So it's like carrot juice but has extra zing. These have 3 carrots, 2 clementines, 1/4 of a pineapple, 1-inch ginger root, and lemon. Of course, I have to have my ginger and lemon. Pineapple. Ooh, I heard that pineapple can boost fertility since all the vitamins and nutrients, which is cool. Oranges help support your brain function and immunity, so that's good. Of course, I gotta add my ice and stir it on up. It's best to drink it on an empty stomach too. My favorite is my inflammation blaster. This has 2 carrots, 1 beet, 1 small apple, a lemon, and ginger. I call it my inflammation blaster because all of these foods help prevent with inflammation and prevent against cancer. So I'm all about it. Beets are good for you too. Has a nice potassium, detoxifies your liver and your blood, makes your skin glow, energy. So add that ice and swirl it up.